Hey everybody, Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes. Today we're in Dade City and we're doing a channel drain install to prevent flooding on this turf. Joe, what do we got?
Absolutely. So what we're doing is we're putting a channel drain in front of this threshold here. It's going to span the entire length. After that, it's going to come up, follow these contours, go straight out to the other side of the fence and drain out properly.
Let's get it. All right, turf is pulled back. We got the tarp down, so we're ready to dig. Turns out they had a channel drain here before, but the stakes went right through it and it's covered in rock. So that's just not gonna work. Time to lay our pipe. Pretty much sums up this job, guys. Today was actually a really easy one. I'm turning off the phone. This is it. Till Monday. Adios.